So, my total portfolio or the total value sang portfolio ko is $1,506.34. So, para malaman natin kung ilan ba yan for PHP, pwede naman nating palitan dito. Let's just type PHP Philippine Peso. So, ayan. As you can see, we have 86,130.23 peso. So, yes po. Yan yung total value today ng ating portfolio, which is currently holding all of this. So, let's see kung ano-ano ito. As you guys know, meron po tayong Ethereum, which is majority, yung pinakamalaki ng majority ng ating portfolio. So, meron siyang 41.72%, which is malapit na sa 36,000. Bakit Ethereum? The foundation of DeFi and smart contracts, sobrang solid ng ecosystem. So, pwede mong hawakan yung Ethereum pang long-term hold. So, yeah. Ganon din sa Solana. Solana, meron tayong around 18.04%. So, around 15,500.